Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today, I have an announcement. I will only be posting Wednesdays and weekends. I've just been very busy, and soon I'll get back to posting pretty much every day. I just wanted to let you guys know. I've been super busy. But today I'm posting one more video, and it's going to
Spooky, scary skeleton, shivers down your spine,
Happy Halloween. Sorry that I haven't
Boo! Happy
Me
Halloween!
and my sister at college.
Boo! Happy Halloween! Have a scary night. Yellow there! Have a good Halloween there! Boo!
Happy Halloween!
I'm a ghost.
Safe night. And try and get scared. Hopefully you got some candy.
Hey there, what are you
What
doing?
got,
Boo boo
what
boo.
candy's your favorite.